Juma. Boleh yang punya pegang raja apa?
Wild elephant. Good morning from Kochi. I was planning to go to Munnar from Kochi straight away. Then I thought of coming to Konanad. तो आपको दिखाते हैं स्वागत elephants का. The next 3, 2, 1.
If you're at Kerala and love animals, do visit Konanad Elephant Sanctuary, 40 minutes from Kochi Airport.
Danger! Danger! Danger!
बस का window seat, नज़ारे और when stranger becomes your friend.
My friend George, my fortune to meet him, Colonel, and I'm so blessed to meet him.
Yeah, it's okay. Nice connecting you.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. Thank you.
From here, I took a cab and headed towards my stay to freshen up. By the way, that's where I put up. Comfy, reasonable, Caramel Homestay.
Full greenery. I just stopped by. आपको वहाँ दिख रहे हैं tea. Every 15 days they pluck full green. Wherever आपका जहाँ भी आग जाएगा, it's all. This is on the way to मुट्टापट्टी Dam from my stay. Drone shot के लिए दिल थाम के बैठिए. कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए. 3, 2, 1. We have come to Madhupatti Dam. Is so huge and beautiful. Munnar, do visit Madhupatti Dam or Madhupatti Lake. It was raining quite heavily कुछ देर पहले, so I was saying literally थोड़ा सा drone shots दिखाएं. वहाँ से कुछ aerial views दिखाते हैं. 3, 2, 1. Coffee दे दीजिए. Likewise, I always say as a traveler, wherever you are visiting, please don't litter. आप देखो इतने खूबसूरत जगह को if we litter like this, हम लोग खुद खराब कर रहे हैं एक सुंदर जगह को इस तरीके से litter कर. So my only request, whoever watching me, please don't litter. If you're having tea, coffee, rum, anything, just pack it up, put it inside your bag and throw it at the proper dustbin. तभी लोग आएंगे और इस जगह का मजा लेंगे. That's the dam.
अब वीडियो के बीच में भोजन यानी ब्रंच ऑफ द डे फुएल अप किया जाए. And yes, if it's south, that has to be my favorite, filter coffee and dosa.
मज़ा आ गया. फिल्टर कॉफ़ी एंड डोसा का अलग ही वाइब है जो कहीं पे भी आपको वो नॉनवेज वाला से भी नहीं मिलेगा. Skip non-veg, start eating veg. If you're at Kerala, then do buy some chocolates, spices. So I got some for my home and tea, of course. Rotis from here, from Munnar. It's the shop. These are pure handloom.
टाइम की पाबंदी को नजर रखते हुए यहाँ से हम चलेंगे पोटामेडू व्यू पॉइंट एंड कुंडला डैम.
पाइनएप्पल्स फॉर राजलक्ष्मी. राजलक्ष्मी कौन है ये आपको थोड़ा देर में पता चलेगा. 1 second. हाय राजलक्ष्मी. Hello. What is the age Rajlakshmi ka?
25.
25 years. Okay. And I'm sorry to ask you, but what is the span?
Lifespan is we are deducting 120.
120?
121 for us. We
Okay.
will live beyond 1 year, so we
Okay.
are controlling this.
teeth. So it is
There's a
like
female elephant have no teeth.
okay. Female elephant, they
This is a
don't.
female, no.
So this is 25 years. This is
Yes,
like
sir.
a kid, like hai na?
Yes.
Small kid. Your name, sir?
Myself is Srinivasan.
Srinivasan. So you are here since how many years? You're taking care of.
I am 16 years. I am working
16
here
years.
as an assistant manager.
Okay. So these things, no, who people get up and all above the animal.
Yes.
I don't believe this because they are not meant for this. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
see you again.
Thank
God bless you.
चले इवारीकुलम नेशनल पार्क राजमलाई.
You need to book government bus and this bus will take you to wildlife sanctuary and this is at Rajmalai.
आपको मिलेंगी the best sightseeing from the bus, beautiful waterfall, and if you're lucky, you can even witness
Okay. That's a video.
That's a video?
ठीक है. ये वाला टाइम लैप्स ले रहे थे. अचानक से मेरा फोन गिरा. अभी जा रही हूँ फोन को लेने. Bro, if you can just help me. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. The incident which just happened, टाइम लैप्स करते करते जब मोबाइल टूटा तो मोबाइल कुछ माय बैड. कुछ ना कुछ हादसा तो होना ही है, नहीं तो ट्रिप एडवेंचर खाली रह जाता है.
here earlier, tiger, wild deer, tribal were found and stayed in this park.
That's all about National Park at Munnar, where we went. This is one of the highest point altitude in across South India. चलो जी, यहाँ से अभी हम लोग निकलेंगे from Munnar to Allepy और उसका मेरा second vlog में आएगा Munnar to Allepy. Make soul smile. तब से बोले जा रही हूँ, मेरा सोल और स्माइल नहीं हो रहा है बिना सब्सक्राइब करके. वो लाल वाला बटन लेके आप कुछ भी करना करो, वो बस दब जाना चाहिए.
Now to my sweetest invitation from Colonel George to High Range Club. Before Indians were replaced, it was Europeans clubs in 70s.
Hi. I wanted to meet Sir Tom. Your Tom? Yes. Sir Babu George.
Babu George, yes.
Yeah, he informed. Hi.
In Bangalore.
No, actually we met at the bus today and we became very good friends. Like, you know.
Sick leave prohibited, but you can take it now.
1909. 1909. Oh my god. Oh my word. This is 100 years old. This is 1924.